You may have noticed your sister locks have become loose and need to be relocked after some time. Today, we're going to show you an easy way to relock your sister locks without causing any breakage. Hi friends, welcome back to our Livara channel. The first thing you want to do is to apply some conditioner to prevent any breakage in the process. This will not only make the lock softer, but it will make it easier to handle your hair as you work it. All you'll need is a crochet hook to start the relocking process. It doesn't take much, just this hook. Attach the end of the sister lock to the crochet hook and pass it through the root. Do this until it's firm again. This could be 3 to 5 times, depending on how loose the sister lock had gotten. But remember, don't pass it through the same hole all the time. Switch up the holes. That way, it's interlocked. But if you pass it through the same initial hole, then it spoils the purpose of locking. So the secret in locking hair well is to continually switch up the best hole where you pass the rest of the hair. When you've made the entire length neat and even, roll the lock between your palms for that final even look from top to bottom. It makes it super neat. You can also trim along the lock for an even neater look. All the loosely hanging hairs that weren't firmly put in place or that are trying to escape will get to be cut off so that it's one long, beautifully amazing lock. And there you have it. Your sister locks are relocked and looking good as new. If you're not familiar with locking your own hair, we advise going to a trained loctician, like the ones you'll find at our Livara family salons in Uganda. Remember to be gentle and take your time when relocking sister locks to prevent any damage. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. We love you.